To change the volume slider style and shape in Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to open your Samsung Galaxy store. Then click on the loop icon and find the app called Good Lock. When you have that app, make sure to install it. Then when it's ready, hit open. It will open, but it will also ask you for permissions, so make sure to allow all of them. Next thing we should do is scroll down in the plugins section and find the sound assistant. It's right here for me. We need to download it as well. When it's finished, go up and click on Sound Assistant. Make sure again to allow all of the permissions, otherwise it won't work. Then we can customize our volume panel. Activate this feature and then you can go for a custom one. This will allow you to basically change which things will be available for this panel. You can switch the layout to the left, right. I think there was also a way to move it. No, it doesn't work. Okay, no, or actually it does. So we can move it a bit up or down. You can enable floating button if you like to call it out with that button as well. You can expand the panel and enable Bluetooth monotone, show toolbar functions, and manage app volume. So there's plenty of options. You will need to customize it to your liking. And that is basically everything.